fun.
Yeah, that's nice. You flew through there.
Bouncing away, so good.
Bing, bing, bing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bit more freight train.
Where's Clibbo?
line through there, was he behind me? Me? It shows a long line. Yeah. I followed you.
You're right, Kev?
Yeah, I'm sure.
How is it?
How's your wrist?
My wrist is killing me, but...
Ah, gutted. So many bumps.
Alright, just carry on
Stay
down.
in the air as much as you can now.
I'm trying to be... That's quite bad for a freight train, isn't it? It's really rough.
No, you've not got the frozen.
Huh?
Look at that.
Yeah, the strap come out.
Ah.
It's snapped a bit of it. Got a little tail.
Oh, excuse me. Are they all going down freight train?
Yeah, probably.
Carry on.
Yeah, carrying on?
Yeah.
Right, Lee?
Yeah.
You feeling it?
Near old squeaky behind me.
I'm trying to burn the fucker off. I'm trying to just drag it a little bit.
He's fast, isn't he? I reckon you're probably quicker than me. You should go ahead.
No,
Holding you up.
I'm alright. I'm watching old Zebedee over here. It's not quite as much dust, it goes in like little puffs. So he's hitting the floor, not hitting the floor, hitting the floor, not hitting the floor.
Lovely. I'm thinking of you guys.
It was deja vu from 2 years, from last year, wasn't it? Was it last year?
Yeah.
It was last year.
Yeah, it was about a year ago, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
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 Nice.
We're doing freight train,
Yeah, man.
containers.
Doing a container?
Yeah. Now you keep your fucking wheels on the ground. Don't slow up for fuck's sake. Now you must be feeling it.
Wasn't I jump into them berms?
Yeah.